Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I just wanted to tell you about this beautiful sweater that my son has. I am so excited to tell you about this sweater. You can see the colors are bright and vibrant, and I love the material that this is made out of. My guy is a little bit picky when it comes to textures, and he likes this sweater. He will wear it as soon as it's clean. He'll wear it regardless of whether he needs to dress up or not, and that's wonderful for me. I love the way it's made. It's very durable. You know little boys and how they go through their clothes. This is not going to tear very easily. You can see by the stitching there. The zipper is in excellent condition. It's very durable, and your boy can tear it up if he wants to, and it's still going to stay in good shape. It's got elastic material around the wrists, and it's got that same kind of material around the bottom of the sweater, but it's not too tight that it's going to irritate their skin. So I got mine in a size 13-14 for my 11-year-old. He's tall and he's thin, but it fits him perfect. This is usually the size that I buy for him. You can see here that he's got some room in there to grow a little bit. It hopefully will fit him through the spring and then maybe even next fall before he grows out of it. He looks so handsome in this sweater. He loves it. I love the way it fits around his waist. Just cinches a little bit, but again, not too much that he's uncomfortable. He can zip it and unzip it with ease. So we love this sweater. He loves it, I love it, and that's my point of view.